In this video, I will be disassembling this 2019 Toyota Rav4 Hybrid LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. Before I can remove the lens, there are 8 Phillips head screws around the outer perimeter of the lens connecting it to the body. I will begin by removing the Phillips head screws. With the 8 screws removed, I will now cut off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. There's one wire harness connector connecting the front LEDs to the main wire harness. There are 8 LEDs connected to this front bezel. They are each held in with a single Phillips head screw. I've removed each of the front LEDs in the wire harness. Next, I'm going to remove the turn signal reflector. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding it in place. Next, I'm going to remove the 2 screws holding in the wire harness. Next, I'm going to remove the 2 screws holding in the ballast. Next, I'm going to release the 2 wire harness clips to the projector. Next, I will pull out the control unit and all of the wire harness. Next, I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding in the LED control unit. Next, I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding on this plastic shroud. Next, I'm going to go to the rear of the light, and I'm going to turn this 10mm headlight adjusting bolt all the way to the left. The projector is now disconnected from the bottom mount. There is a mount on both sides of the top of the projector. This has 3 clips that we need to depress and push in through the bracket. We now need to do the same thing to the projector mount on the top inside corner. With the projector disconnected from all 3 mounts, it will simply slide out. At this point, the headlight housing is now empty. I will begin removing the projector from the bracket by first removing the wire harness. First, I will use a small flathead screwdriver to release the clip on the bottom wire connector. Next, I will disconnect this grounding wire. Next, I will release the bottom wire harness connector. Note that there is a clip on both sides. The wire connector slides right between these 2 clips. You have to release the clip on both sides in order to pull the wire harness out. The last wire connector will simply pull out. You need a firm grasp on the gray connector and give it a strong pull. Lastly, there are 4 Phillips head screws holding the projector to the bracket. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding on the top of the projector. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here is the LED controller board. Here's the projector LED controller. The cover is simply clipped into place. Here's the main projector LED. Here's the top of the projector and the projector lens. Here is the projector by LED flap and cooling fan. Here are the front daytime running light LEDs. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.